Airplane. Ultimate travel hacks. Save time, money and stress on your next adventure. Globe 30-point outline. Tired of travel headaches? Discover game-changing hacks that will transform your next trip from stressful to seamless. Let's face it, travel can be a real pain. From packing nightmares to unexpected delays, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But what if I told you there's a better way? This video is your guide to unlocking a world of travel hacks. Our goal is simple: to make your journey smoother, more affordable, and infinitely more enjoyable. Get ready to save time, slash expenses, and say goodbye to travel stress forever. Packing light is the first step to stress-free travel. Learn how to maximize space in your luggage with clever folding techniques. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them can save a surprising amount of room. Consider using packing cubes to compress items further. Avoid those dreaded baggage fees by weighing your luggage before you leave home. A small luggage scale can be a lifesaver. Finding affordable flights is crucial for budget travelers. Explore hidden deals and discounts you might be missing. Be flexible with your travel dates and destinations. Sometimes flying on a Tuesday or Wednesday can save you hundreds. Use flight comparison websites and set up price alerts. This way, you'll be notified when prices drop for your desired route. Navigating a new city can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Learn how to use public transit systems like a local. Download transportation apps for real-time schedules and route planning. This will save you time and prevent getting lost. Ride-sharing services can be convenient, but be aware of surge pricing. Compare prices before you book a ride. Understanding local customs is essential for a smooth experience. Learn a few basic phrases and be respectful of local traditions. These hacks are designed to benefit all travelers, regardless of experience level. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time adventurer, there's something for you. Even experienced travelers can benefit from advanced tips and tricks. There's always something new to learn in the world of travel. First-time adventurers will gain essential foundational knowledge. This will help you feel confident and prepared for your first trip. Efficient pre-trip planning is key to saving time on the road. Create a detailed itinerary that includes transportation and activities. Book accommodations strategically, considering location and proximity to attractions. This will minimize travel time within your destination. Speed through airport security by preparing in advance. Have your documents ready and remove any prohibited items from your bag. Utilize airport amenities effectively, such as charging stations and Wi-Fi. This will help you stay connected and productive while waiting for your flight. Manage time differences by adjusting your sleep schedule gradually. This will help you avoid jet lag and feel more energized. Stay organized while traveling by using digital tools and apps. Keep all your important documents and information in one place. Finding affordable lodging options is essential for budget travelers. Consider hostels, guest houses, or Airbnb rentals. Utilize loyalty programs to earn points and discounts on hotels and flights. These programs can save you a significant amount of money over time. Eat like a local on a budget by exploring street food and local markets. This is a great way to experience the culture and save money on meals. Avoid tourist traps by researching restaurants and attractions in advance. Look for recommendations from locals and read online reviews. Take advantage of free or low-cost activities, such as walking tours and visiting parks. Many cities offer free attractions and events. Look for discounted attractions and activities online. Many websites offer deals and coupons for popular tourist destinations. Creating a pre-trip checklist will help you stay organized and avoid forgetting important items. This will reduce stress and ensure you're prepared for your trip. Packing essentials, such as a first aid kit and travel-sized toiletries, will help you stay comfortable and healthy on the road. Staying calm and adaptable is crucial when dealing with unexpected delays. Remember that travel is unpredictable, and things don't always go as planned. Dealing with unexpected delays can be frustrating, but try to stay positive and make the most of the situation. Use the time to relax, read a book, or explore the airport. Readjusting to your routine after a trip can be challenging. Give yourself time to rest and recover from jet lag. Reflecting on your travel experience can help you appreciate the memories and learn from your mistakes. This will make you a better traveler in the future. Subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and hacks. We're constantly sharing new content to help you travel smarter and more affordably. Join our community of smart travelers and share your own experiences and tips. We believe that sharing knowledge is the key to better travel. We want to foster a sense of connection among our viewers. Share your travel stories and connect with other like-minded adventurers. We want to encourage you to travel with a positive and supportive approach. Remember that travel is an opportunity for growth and discovery. We promise to transform your travel experience from stressful to enjoyable. With our tips and hacks, you'll be able to travel with confidence and ease. We want to empower you with actionable advice that you can use on your next trip. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and skills you need to travel smarter. We encourage you to travel efficiently and informed. By following our tips, you'll be able to make the most of your travel experiences. This video is your valuable resource for optimizing your travel experiences. We're here to help you unlock the secrets to smoother, more affordable travel. We're revealing the secrets to smoother travel, so you can focus on enjoying your adventures. Say goodbye to travel hassles and hello to unforgettable experiences. Our goal is to make your journeys more rewarding and less overwhelming. With our tips and hacks, you'll be able to travel with confidence and ease. Ready to transform your travel experience? Subscribe to our channel now for more travel hacks and tips. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite travel hack, and be sure to check out the links in the description for exclusive travel deals and resources. Happy travels!